Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are at the Zurich car show taking a look at the new Nissan X-Trail. Now recently I've been invited by Nissan to test drive this car, so the point of view drive is already live, but I filmed the different spec, so that one over there, and in this video I want to show you this example here. So this is also the e-Power version, but let's start with the specs. As you can see, we have the dark gray color and it's got the e-Power powertrain. It's the innovative electrified powertrain from Nissan, Tekna Plus trim, and e-Force all-wheel drive, 214 PS, front and rear electric motors, and of course innovative technology. Two electric motors are driving the wheels, while the petrol engine is here just to give electricity to the wheels. So all about the powertrain in my point of view drive, and there you can also see how the car performs. But today's focus is the design of this car and also this kind of spec. So Tekna Plus in the dark gray color. On the front you see that we have the lights that are divided into two sections. Main unit is here. These are the daytime running LEDs. They turn into indicators. Massive V-motion grille, and you also notice the new Nissan badge, which looks very nice, very clean, and very modern indeed. These are the inlets for the air. As you can see, they are the real ones. And if we move on to the side, you will definitely notice the massive wheel arches with those covers, the plastic parts actually. So as you can see here, very robust design. These are the 19-inch wheels, 235/55 R19, and the dual tone. You see grayish and also silver elements. Hancock tires on the model in our video. e-Power lettering so that you don't mistake it for anything else. I quite like the design of those side skirts with the chrome inserts as well. And this is the view from the rear. Look at this. Very strong appearance on the road, very massive, and this new 4th generation model really looks nice, and it's definitely, in my opinion, much more modern than its predecessor. Let's take a look at this C-pillar. Look at this dolphin fin look-alike, so quite cool. Also get this extra glass, and this car is also available as a 7-seater, which you see here actually. So let's open the tailgate, and you actually open it here, so it's not here where you might think it is. So this is it, the 7-seat layout, and the occupants here can be up to 1.60 m and enjoy the drive itself. You can slide the rear bench also, so that way you get more room here for the occupants at the back. And yeah, well, the trunk space depends on the layout that you take. Around 585 liters if you go for the 7-seat layout, but you fold the third row of the seats. And yeah, well, as you can see, this is all very nice. You also get the cup holders here for the rear occupants, and electric tailgate, of course. Press this to close it. Massive rear spoiler, and should I say the bumper actually. And you see we have the chrome line, but also this protective part, and clean design, no fake exhaust, so all very nice. e-Power lettering and e-Force. You can watch my video of the off-road drive in this car. It's really impressive, believe me. You can watch it on my channel and see how capable this car is. Tinted windows also, and I want to show you this element here for the perfect airflow, as well as the roof spoiler. So this is where you put the fuel, and yeah, well, that's the idea. 1.5 liter petrol engine and 2 electric motors, but once again only the electric motors are driving the wheels. Now it is time to check out the interior, so let's come here and take a look. There we go, and let's immediately jump on board. New logo on the steering wheel. Now you can see it, and here you see that we don't have the gloss black. We have this special element, sort of like the brushed black part that looks very nice, and it's also much more durable than the classic gloss black which we usually see in cars. Mood lighting is here. You also see it here in the middle section. The gear selector is illuminated, as well as this section here. So tell me in the comments, how do you like this layout? It's very nice, and materials are superb. I mean, just look at this. This is all soft on touch. And I love the fact that we still have, for example, the AC on switches. Press this, you get the screen here, the middle touchscreen. This is the bigger screen in the Tekna Plus trim. And you also get the digital cockpit with different views. Now we don't have the key right now, but also in my other video you can watch the different views that are available. This is the button for the ProPilot Nissan semi-autonomous driving system, which is very good. And also I want to show you the functions here. So the e-pedal, which would give you the recuperation and regenerative braking. So when you have the e-pedal turned on, you release the throttle and the car starts to slow down and recuperates the energy, so the EV feel. And also this is the EV, so the pure electric mode without the engine running. Now once again, the electric motors are always driving the wheels, but of course sometimes the engine will be on, the petrol engine, because it is after all giving electricity to the electric motors. But if you press this, then if the situation allows, the car will be in fully electric mode, so the petrol engine will not be turned on. Once again, watch my point of view drive to see more details of this unique and very good powertrain, very innovative powertrain technology for the electrified e-power version of this X-Trail. Now the infotainment system is the all new one. You can actually add the widgets yourself. The idea is that you configure your home screen and then you have like the most user-friendly experience here, because after all you're configuring what you see here in front of you. If we press the navigation, here are some of these shortcuts as well. I can also show you the very cool 3D shape of the buildings. Let's just find the city center. Once again, we are here at the Zurich, or Zurich as we call it in Croatia. So this is the city center. And now I will show you the buildings. Look at this, how cool is that? Nice 3D shape and very, very responsive indeed. Press this, you get the day mode, day view, and it's very easy to switch between those. And yeah, well, you can also then adjust various settings for the navigation and stuff like that. So tell me in the comments, how do you like it? And if you want to have a full tour of the infotainment system and the digital cockpit, make sure to watch my other videos. USB-C port, USB port, 12-volt power supply, start, stop button, and the wireless charging pad is here. Here we are greeted with additional room, additional storage area, and additional room here in the glove compartment. So you can put the glasses here. These are the lights. And this car also has the panoramic sunroof, but we would need the key for that. So now I think it's time that we check out the rear bench. And now you're in for a surprise, because look at this feature. The door angle of opening, I mean the 85 degrees, how cool is that? It's so easy to access the rear bench, but also for the occupants here at the third row, it gets much easier with the angle like this. So once again, 85 degrees. You also get these sunshades. It's easy to pull them up or down. And once again, this rear bench can be moved, but look at this, still plenty of room left for me. I'm 1.87 m. This is the view on the front. Let me show you the situation for my head. And actually even more room, because I just realized that we had the bench moved upwards. So look how much you can move it. This is really, really good. And huge thumb up, because here you can be so comfortable. And there we go, this is the situation. Not sure how much can you see because it's a bit dark here, but plenty of space left for my head. Once again, I'm 1.87 m, and this is the overall situation with the rear bench moved. But once again, look at this. You can really configure this out, and really 10 out of 10 for practicality. And let's mention the other powertrain, which is the mild hybrid, 163 horsepower. That's the other option. And then this is the e-Power. You can get it with the all-wheel drive or the front-wheel drive. If you go for the front-wheel drive, then you get 204 PS. Okay guys, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, and there will be plenty of more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.